everybody, hope the first half of your week's gone alright. I thought I would start uploading Wednesday updates. So once a week, at least once a week, you'll get a video from RCBound. And it's just going to be more of a relaxed setting, just showing you guys what I've been up to, the projects I've been working on, and maybe some new stuff that I've come across. As you can see right here, an RC10 original and a Blackfoot Tamiya, and they both have the mechanical speed controllers on them. I want to clean up the RC10, swap all the electronics out on it, put a modern speed controller on there, and not make this thing a racer per se, but I want to make it scream pretty good out on a flat track of some sort. Not jump it really or anything. Probably not try to torture it a whole lot, take it out once in a while, but I do want to use it. I don't want it to just sit around because it's already been used. It's not like it's already a shelf queen. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So there's that project. I don't know if I'm going to be cleaning up the Blackfoot right now or not. Doesn't look like it would be a little bit of fun, but I'm more concentrating on this RC10. Should be good fun. What else have I been working on? Oh yeah, the RC10 came with this kind of pink body that he had painted up. I don't really care for that a whole lot. So here's the Stay Frosty body. It's all messed up. Not nearly as far as I wanted to come on it. I wanted to have some of the painting already started, at least by Sunday. I wanted to upload like part 2. Well, Sunday's come and gone, Wednesday's here, and that's what happens when it's within the last 3 weeks of the semester, and it's just getting really busy. And it's also my girlfriend's birthday. Last night we went to a Crowbot, Anthrax, and Volbeat concert. It was actually pretty killer. This ear's honestly still ringing a little bit, but it was really, really awesome. It was the first indoor concert I've been to, so I could really feel it this go around. Anyways, tonight I'm going to start tracing and cutting. Hopefully paint 1 layer tonight. Maybe not. But that's my goal. We'll see what happens. So you can see I did a little bit of test painting here. It actually didn't turn out too good, but I did it pretty hastily, so it doesn't even do anything justice. If I took time, I know it'll look pretty good. What else do I have going on? Not a whole lot really, other than a quadcopter project. I mentioned to someone in one of my comments that I've got a speed plane build coming up. Scratch that. Mainly because I'm probably going to get more use out of an FPV quadcopter. I already do have that quadcopter, the one that I was flying in my previous The Pit episode 2, actually, and but it's been giving me some issues. The motor, it's really not that powerful in general. So I'm going to keep the same chassis, but I'm going to swap it out for a KK2 2.1.5 board, some Afroman, or I guess it's not Afroman, I think these things just Afro ESCs, 30 amp I believe, and some NTM prop drive, 1350 kV motors. And then I guess that's kind of like the important stuff. My receiver though that I'm going to be using is a FR Sky 8-channel that came with my Taranis. So hopefully I can hook up telemetry through that. I don't want to do OSD at the time. So I'm really excited to finally get a FPV quadcopter build going. And the only thing I don't really have coming right now are goggles. So we'll see if my girlfriend will allow me to bite the bullet on a really good set of goggles, or if right now I'll just cheap out, like really on the cheap end, and DIY myself some real simple goggles, which is pretty cool. I can show some other people on here how to DIY some goggles, but it's already out there. There's lots of videos out there on how to do that. But yeah, so very excited about that. I was going to be building a very fast plane. The motor I had selected was a 3000 kV NTM prop drive. So I think it was going to hit about 12,000 kV, and I was going to use a 4.75 by 4.75 prop on there, and I don't know, I've been reading people hitting well over 100, 140-ish mile an hour with the EFX Racer, and that was the plane fuselage and body I was going to attach it to. So yeah, I mean, I was really excited to do that. I like to go fast, and I was going to try to set it up to be an FPV speed plane as well, but honestly, if my girlfriend ever wants to go out and have fun as well, I'd like her to be able to pick up the quadcopter and go have some fun. She's not going to be able to do that with the speed plane. Not at all. And my buddy also wants to do FPV racing with quadcopter, so it's just one more reason for him to get into it. He wasn't going to do it if no one else was, so now that I'm doing it, someone else will, and hopefully it'll continue to trickle out and more people will be building quadcopters here locally. But if I did a plane, which he doesn't like planes quite so much, you know, he probably wouldn't have built another plane to race around with me or anything. But yeah, so I actually believe that's about all I have going on. If you're curious at all, I can leave all the bits and pieces that I'm going to be putting together for my quadcopter down in the description. If you don't find it down in the description this go around, it's because I got lazy and decided not to. But trust me, there's going to be another approaching build video to come up where I'll lay out all my plans. I'll show you my current quadcopter, break it down. I'm going to turn each motor and ESC from the current quadcopter I have into either individual planes, or I'm actually going to build a 4-motor single plane and cargo plane style, and and see how that turns out. I think that'd be really, really, really sweet. So stay tuned, guys. Like always, thanks for watching. Leave all the comments you have down below. Please leave comments. I love the feedback. That's kind of one of the things that keeps me going, and all the feedback on all these projects. I know I don't reach out all the time either, but that's mainly for these next few weeks. I'm just going to be really, really busy with school, and then the summer, I've mentioned before, I should have a ton of videos coming up. I'm hoping 4 to 5 a week. We'll see what happens and see how many projects I have going on and how busy I am with work. But for now, it sounds like I'm actually going to be fairly part-time for work for the summer for once, and maybe I'm actually going to be able to do a lot with my YouTube channel and this Raspberry Pi I have and electronics projects and a lot of cool stuff. So I'll take it easy, guys. Hope your hump day wasn't too bad, and the rest of your week goes by real fast.